He's got it. What's up, guys? Dustin from Axel Deep Ranch. So we had another storm come through, so I've been able to get any work done. I came out to let the dogs run around a little bit and check on the property, make sure everything's still good, and a little muddy on the driveway. Started sliding around a little bit, so definitely need some rock, but there's no sitting water, which is great. Usually in this little path right here, there's other videos you'll see there's sitting water after a rain. I think we'll end up going back. I didn't bring my fishing pole here, but we'll go back to the RV park and maybe do a little fishing in that pond. Try to catch something bigger than a 3-inch bluegill. But the pond is still pretty full. I took the mini X on the other side of the pond over here, or back over here, and try to clear a path, but I think the dam is not working very well because there's sitting water all the way back here. I need to go check on it, but I want to drive back there. It's a little too muddy. But I did dig a little trench for the water to try to run off a little bit. And just too bad we really can't walk around this thing to check more of it out. Because I think I'm going to end up draining the pond, not completely, just draining it enough to where either I do want to see how deep it is and maybe dig some of this muck out of here. But I mean, I can't. It's sitting water right here, and then Colt, come here. That was a frog right there. He's already jumping after him. Colt, get out of there. Come on. And that's probably a couple inches deep right there. And then it's going to be flooded all the way around. And the dam kind of goes up right here. I mean, this hasn't been maintained in so long. It just pretty much needs a pond renovation, pretty much. And I'm sinking in a little bit right here, so I'm definitely not going to try to drive truck through this. This is more of like a ATV path or side by side or something. But I'm gonna get out of here. We'll go back and do a little fishing. Oh, got it. Take it off. Dang it. Looks like it bit the bottom half off. Actually, this is the second one I've got a bite on. He took the bait, and you can see him taking the line, but he got off. Oh, it shows up on camera. There's fish right here. It's probably about 4 or 5 inches long, but to the left, right here about camera, there's probably about a 7 or 8 inch bass. You can tell it looks like they're looking at it. The clouds are starting to come in. It's supposed to be a thunderstorm coming in soon. I don't know how much longer I'll be able to get out here, but I really want to catch this guy. Keeps taking my bait. I just can't get him. Hit it again. Yep. Got him. Oh, he got off again. One of these days. I'm gonna get him. He's got it. Yep, got him. There he is. Look at that. Not bad. Barely hooked him. It's not a bad one. A little small. That's the biggest one I've seen come out of here. I haven't really seen anybody catch anything. Nope. Finally got him. Hit a little guy. Not even half pound, but there he goes. It's hitting that thing pretty hard. So you get a lot of guys that post on YouTube too. It's only their successful catches. I'll put that on there. It's embarrassing. But you don't always set the hook right. And I mean, I've caught one and I've gotten 3 bites where he's actually taken my lure and ran off with it. Well, guys, that'll be it for today. I realized when I got back to the trailer, I forgot to end the video. But hopefully you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you did. And we'll see you on the next one.